Happy birthday, Pastor Ken! Tani mag-swimming pa ta, and tani magpunta pa kamo sa balay, and more birthdays to come, and more candles to blow, and more blessings to come, and more to come, and more rice to eat, and more birthdays to come, and more candles to blow. God bless you and praise the Lord. Mwah! Love you!
Happy birthday, Pastor Ken! May more blessings and birthdays to come.
Pas, happy birthday gali. Ang wish ko lang sa imo sa birthday mo, Pas, tani mapuno ang imong tuig sang kalipay kag mayong alawas. Kag ginapray ko man, Pas, nga tani damo-damo ka pa nga birthday nga ma-celebrate kag damo-damo ka pa nga blessings nga mabaton. Sa liwat, Pas, happy birthday and God bless.
Hi, Pas. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday! My birthday. Hi, Pas. Happy birthday! My birthday. More blessings to come, Pas. Excited na maligo.
Happy birthday, Pastor Kenneth. More birthday to come. Happy birthday, Pas.
Happy birthday, Pas.